Though the city of Markham real estate market average price is in the upward trend for the last 3 months for the overall housing categories, right? But at the same time, there is one housing categories which has seen a biggest drop of 20% year over year and around 19% month over month, and sitting on a maximum number of inventory and taking a maximum amount of days to go out from this market. Want to know more? Stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is Ashish Sharma, your realtor with Right at Home Realty Brokerage. In today's video, we're gonna discuss market stats for the beautiful city of Markham in York region. So stay tuned till the end because a lot of interesting facts and number, and we're gonna cover the overall updates for the city of Markham. And remember, guys, this video is only for Markham. If you are looking for some other municipality or city or town, check out my channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and you will see the videos of that particular month for that respective city. And if by chance we are not covering that city which you are looking for, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you and answer all your question you have. And my buyers, sellers, and investors, please call me for your needs and I'll be happy to help you and navigate you throughout your needs. And my industry professional, don't wait on the sidelines. Visit unlockrealestate.ai and become a member today. Now, without further ado, let's unlock real estate. Okay, so welcome back. So let's start with the average price, which is hovering around 1.28 million, which is down 1% year over year and 3.2% month over month. Yes, and we have seen an uptick in the prices, as you can see in the screen as well. For the last 3 months, we have seen an uptick in the prices for the overall housing categories for city of Markham. Now, as I started the discussion with the biggest drop and the biggest month over month and year over year drop. So let me tell you which property type that is. That is our condo townhouses, which saw a drop of 20%. Look at over here. If I select the condo townhouse, 20% year over year drop and roughly 19% month over month drop. Yes, data doesn't lie. Data doesn't lie. Data is the new oil, and we help our buyers and sellers and clients to make informed decisions based on data, right? So that you make the biggest real estate decision based on with confident and solid data back, right? Now, so get back to the point of the overall update. So as you can see, for condo townhouses, this is the lowest of the lowest prices we have seen after the pandemic peak, which happened in January of 2022. And from there, the condo townhouses in city of Markham have roughly shed around 32% in values. So it is getting messy, to be honest, out there, right? So let's go back and do the overall updates for the city of Markham. So if we talk about sales number, 256 transaction happened, which is down 9.5% year over year and up 7.6% month over month. Detached properties are leading the way by 48% of the overall transaction, with 123 transaction in the latest reported number for city of Markham. And remember, guys, this data is for the overall housing categories. Yeah, here and there we are covering the different housing categories, but for your needs, for you, if you are a buyer, sellers, investor, you want to know which housing categories you are own or you want to own, and then based on that we have to drill down further to your neighborhood and your property type, so that you make the informed decision based on the data, right? If we talk about active listing, we have around 1311 active listings sitting on the market, and it grew 17% month over month, right? So active listings are growing more pace than the sales number, which is not a good sign because that leads to the higher inventory levels. That's why prices are coming down. Wherever the inventory will be high, it will prices will suffer. If we talk about the inventory, I'm gonna showcase you the buyers and sellers market graph with the inventory and prices, and gonna give you the insights of the visuals as well. Stay tuned in the end. Before that, let me cover the one section of the inventory section and then gonna showcase you the visuals. So we have around 5.1 months of inventory sitting for city of Markham at this point. And when we dig deep, we saw that condo townhouses again are leading the way by 8.1 month of inventory. So if no new listing of the condo townhouse comes to the market, it's gonna take 8.1 months as per the current sales activity if no new listings comes into the market based on the current active listing sitting available. On the contrary, the lowest side Semi-detached properties have only 3 months of inventory. So lucky you if you own a semi-detached property and trying to sell it, because it's a less inventory and you have the higher edge to sell it easily. If we talk about days on market, it is on an average taking 25 days for any properties to get sold in the city of Markham. And again, condo townhouse is impressive over there, leading the way with 41 days. It's a sarcasm, you can understand. And linked properties are flying out of the market within 16 days. Now let me show you how's the overall market, and look at over here. Markham is also on the trajectory, sitting at the highest of the highest month of inventory at this point. Will this be sustainable? It could be. If coming months inventory will drop, then prices might be on the upward trajectory. Otherwise, we might see a downward pressure on the housing as well. But again, this is for overall housing. But if I talk about condo townhouse, we are sitting at 8.1 months of inventory, the highest of the highest, and we touched the bottom of the bottom. So if next month sales pick up, lot of deals flow through, because prices are down in condo townhouse segment. Though there are not that many sales happen, but still, it's the part of the housing category, right? So if lot of condo townhouses get sold in this month, then next month we can see in the reported numbers that this inventory came down and prices might jack up. But nobody have a crystal ball. But for sure, why these numbers are important, because if you are a owner and the seller of these kind of property types, you need to set your expectation where the market is heading, right? And then take the call accordingly. Look at over here, and another interesting facts: interest rate and price graph. Finally, like interest rate started, we started seeing interest rate drop last year, first time in the month of May 2020, actually June of 2024, when we dropped the interest rate of 25 basis point. It's been an year they have dropped the first interest rate. And look at over here, after the certain drops as well, we have seen a downward pressure in the market. Now they have holded the interest rate. Finally we are seeing an uptick, because the sentiment took like 1 year to get improved, right? Because real estate is a lagging indicators. It doesn't get impact of the interest rate right away, but it somehow shows you how's the market happening, right? And remember guys, this video, this data, this information is only for your information and educational purposes. This is not any kind of financial advice, because everybody's situation is different, everybody's property type is different, everybody's financial debt is different. So you need to speak to the respective professional to get to know about your situation. And as I am posting the video for the overall housing categories, you cannot take this as a grain of salt and make decision based on that, because every investment has a risk. I'm a licensed real estate agent, and I'm your guy. If you're a buyer or seller or investor, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you, assist you, and navigate you throughout your need, and making sure that we make the best out of your buck, either you are buying or selling or investing. And if you're an industry professional, don't wait on the sideline and just watch videos. Visit unlockrealestate.ai and become a member today, and we'll be happy to extend you the membership. As I always say, keep on learning, keep on hustling, keep on growing. Until next time, have a good one.